In a college physics class, students eagerly attempted to build a homemade hovercraft using a leaf blower and a plywood disc. The project seemed promising until someone mistakenly reversed the fan's settings, causing the craft to zoom unexpectedly across the lab. To everyone's surprise, it slipped through the open door and glided down the hallway, gaining speed as it went. Laughter erupted as professors and students chased it down, trying to regain control of the runaway hovercraft. The incident, humorous yet thrilling, highlighted the unpredictable nature of scientific experiments and the joys of learning through laughter.